Hi forum, hi Griffiths. It's already morning 6 o'clock and I just came up from my office. It's weekend and a little bit tired. So apologize for not able to describe it properly. But still I'm trying it to solve your problem. So here is your data. It three types of date. One is required date, aggressive date, conservative date, actual date. All has some price information and a WBS. You want this in pivot format like this: required, aggressive and conservative. Let's try it. So here is the data. First of all, I am moving price section to the end of the data. Okay. Right now WBS is just a junk data, so I am removing it. Here are three data: required date, aggressive date, conservative date. You are not doing anything with the actual date, so right now I am also let it be there. So here is required date up to 84 column blank. First of all, please try to avoid as much as possible blanks in a pivot table, but still if it is a requirement I am leaving it as it is. So here is a required date, aggressive date, conservative date. In file option there is an option called for customize ribbon, and you can go for command not in the ribbon and check the pivot table wizard. You can add it on customize ribbon. Beside that I have one tab already created with all the important icons which are not available in the ribbon. So first activate pivot table and pivot chart wizard from that area. Now select any of the cell, click on pivot table and pivot chart wizard. It will open a box for you. Click multiple consolidation range. Here three or four dates are there, but these all are for the same field. You want all four in a single column, so multiple consolidation range. Click next. Don't let the Excel to decide which are your common column. Just create a page field. Click next. Range you want to add from A1 to complete data, which is A1 to E154. These are the blank areas, so you may got a greater than or less than sign in the pivot table. So right now I'm selecting all A1 to E154 and click on add. Now click next. No need to set any how many page field you want, which are the field one. We will discuss it about later. If I got any chance to prove it, to show it, I will show it later. Right now no need to change anything on the page field section and field 1 section. Just add your range in all range section. Click next. Where you want to put, for the time being I am putting it in the same file where you have placed here, and click finish. So here is your multiple consolidated pivot table. This area is for your date format, date area. Right click, group it as month and year, both you want to group. So for the time being I am using 1/1/2014 to ending date 1/1/15, just for fun. No need to set it accordingly, but still I am just setting it for fun, and click on OK. So here is your all your data, means less than 11 11, 13 and 15. Just minimizing it, just want to compare your data with actual data what I just got from the pivot table. Selecting this area and adding the same value here again. In your required data, sum is in the first place, so in the pivot table I'm also placing sum at the first place. Here is the sum. Required field is in the first area, and here required field is in the named as price. I think it named as a price, yes. So let's change it to price only. It will automatically set price here and actual date here. So here is your 1533820. Is this the same 1533? Yes, it's match, and number of count of value 4. You want to display it as a unit, just write here unit and this one as $sign. Okay, let's try dollar and unit 4 5. Next, what do you want? Next one is aggressive. Where is aggressive? There. You can select here and drag it here for aggressive. And the next one is conservative. So let's move conservative also here. You don't have any information for the actual date, but I have picked it, so let it be there. You don't need the total one, so go to design section and you can off rows and column subtotal section. Now here is your pivot data, which somehow and most probably looks like what you basically looking for. You can change the format of these to any number format. My default currency format is on Indian symbol rupees. You can change it to dollar. So any $1 select it or press OK. You don't have any 2 decimal place. Let's leave the formatting part. So here is your data. Through multiple consolidation range, you can get the required data what you are looking for. Thanks for looking into the video and hope you have a great weekend. Thanks.